In this video, I will show you how to fix DoorDash refund problems. First, launch open the DoorDash app or open up any web browser and go to DoorDash.com. Now tap on the menu icon. Here, find the option of orders and select that. On the order details page, tap on report a problem. Then choose the option that best match your issue, such as order never arrived, missing item, incorrect order, or any other applicable reason. Follow the on-screen prompts, and if you're eligible, select refund option to submit your request. After submitting your request, wait for DoorDash to review it. Refund processing times can vary depending on your payment method and the type of issue reported. If your refund is denied or if you're still experiencing problem, then tap on this menu icon again. Now tap on the option of help. Here, you want to contact the DoorDash support. For that, select the order, then tap on Contact Customer Support. Here, provide all of your order details and explain the issue so the support team can review your case. Now, the customer support will get in touch with you and help you fix this problem. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.